Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back and continuing our series with the socket module for networking. So first of all, I want to tell everybody thank you very much for your patience. Thank you for your feedback. I think I got this fixed up a little bit. Just keep letting me know. Lighting is something new that I'm working with, so bear with me. Probably going to need to buy some more lights. So alright, so back to the socket module. So to remind you where we left off, we made a socket object and we also brought in some socket attributes. So the next thing, to remind you, we have our socket object right here. There are three things that have to happen in sequence: socket, bind, listen, and accept. So let me just show you where these come from. Since we have our socket object, we've already gotten the object, then we're going to be looking more into bind, then listen, and then accept. So those are going to be the next few videos that we do, but just to remind you, this is just like all the other objects that we've created, that you take a class, then you create that object from that, pass it arguments, and these are because in networking you're connecting ports, you're binding them, and like you need to be having the accept open on the client, on the server side, because you can have multiple clients. Because to remind you, if you're just joining us, the server, everybody knows the server. That's where we go to get information to pull. The client is the one receiving the information, going to the server. Think about a waiter, server, and you're at the table. You're being served by the server. You're the client, customer, client. You may have heard those terms before, but these are going to be the next methods that we're going to be using. And like I said, the sequence is socket, bind, listen, and then accept. And let's see if we have them right here. There's bind. We've already created the socket. Then listen, and then accept should be right up here. So there we go. All right. So just a quick refresher, those are going to be the next topics that we're going to be addressing. So thank you as always. Please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me, because that has been a thing. I've been a little shocked by how many downvotes that I have received. So just thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the feedback of everything. Like I've been saying to you guys, this channel would not be anything without you, and I honestly mean that, because the feedback that I've gotten from you has helped perpetuate the content that is on here. All of the very, very top level, all of the high performing videos are suggestions that you've either asked for or posed in the frame of a, or have posed in the form of a question, because if you have that question, somebody else has that question. So there we go, guys. Just kind of laying out where the next few videos are going to be. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.